I don't eat pork. How do we say this in French? In textbook French, it would be Je ne mange pas de porc. Je ne mange pas de porc. We are going to dive deep into the sentence, not by exploring the sentence itself, but we are going to dive deep into the pronunciation. There's so much from this one sentence that I can teach you about pronunciation and how to say things in an informal context that the textbooks will not teach you. So here are a few tips on how to say this in a natural way. Number one, it is porc. There is no porc. There's a C at the end of the word, but it is not pronounced. Porc. Porc. Number two, if you are in an informal conversation, you drop the ne. So it'd be Je mange pas de porc. Number three, if you really want a natural flow to it, you would blend the je and the m in mange. Je mange pas de porc. Je mange. So instead of saying je mange, it could be je mange. And the last tip is with de. In this particular sentence, you don't actually need to pronounce the so much in de. You can just say je mange pas de porc. So you can actually let go of that sound. Je mange pas de porc. Je mange pas de porc. Pas de porc. Pas de porc. Together we say je mange pas de porc. Je mange pas de porc.